Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching me for the first time, you're highly welcome to the channel. On this channel, I show you how to take care of your natural hair. I show you how to make your DIY hair growth product that will actually help you to grow your hair and solve all your hair issues. So if you've been watching without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel and do well to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a DIY video. So guys, what I have here with me is cloves. Cloves is really good when it comes to hair growth because it stimulates the follicles and also nourish the scalp, therefore promoting faster hair growth. Clove is loaded with lots of minerals and vitamins that promote healthy hair growth. I use clove a lot in my hair growth treatment on this channel. That's because it has actually helped me to grow my hair thicker and longer. So guys, what I did here is I added my clove to my blender and I'm just going to roughly blend this because I want it in a semi-powdered form. I'm adding 2 spoons of the blended cloves to the pot, and I'm also going to be adding another ingredient which is very good for preventing hair loss. And the second ingredient is coffee. Coffee contains caffeine. This is very great when it comes to hair loss. Coffee helps to strengthen the hair follicles and also prevents hair loss. So I added 1 spoon of coffee to the pot, and I'm adding 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. Guys, you can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, just use any oil that your hair loves. I'm using extra virgin olive oil because I love the oil for my hair. So I'm just mixing this very well, and after this I'm going to turn on the heat of this pot to the lowest heat to heat up this oil for at least 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to turn off the heat and set it aside till the next day so that the clove and the coffee can properly infuse into the oil. You can also use the double boiling method to heat up this oil. All you have to do is to pour the mixture into a stainless plate and put water in another pot, and then you leave the plate containing the mixture inside the plate. It's that simple. So guys, it is the next day now, and this is what we have right here. The coffee and the clove has properly infused into the oil, as you can see from this video. That is why the color of the oil has changed to a darker color. I'm going to be sieving the mixture right now to get the hair growth oil, and I'm using a wig cap. You can use any strainer of your choice. Guys, when you combine these 2 great ingredients together, you are preventing hair breakage and also promoting hair growth, because clove is really good for hair growth and coffee is good for preventing hair loss. and our hair growth oil is ready, guys. You can use this oil daily to massage your scalp, and you can also use it weekly as a hot oil treatment, guys. And if you feel like you're the type that your hair is always falling off or your hair is not growing, then I advise you to use this oil for a 1 month hair growth challenge. Like, you use it to massage your hair every day for complete 1 month, and I can guarantee you that before the end of 1 month, you see how your hair will grow thicker, and it's also going to grow longer, guys, because I have been using this oil, and I can guarantee you that this work is going to make your hair look thicker. Like, it's going to add shine to your hair, and it will also treat scalp issues like dandruff and also prevent premature growing of hair, guys. So guys, that will be all for this video. I do hope you try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Till I see you all in my next video, stay safe. Bye.